Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can live stream on YouTube. So it's very easy and simple. To do that, go ahead and open up YouTube application. You'll be appear with the home page of YouTube. Now basically what you have to do is, you can see the plus icon on the center of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that plus icon. Now once you tap on it, you can see the option live. Go ahead and tap on it. So here you can see ready in 24 hours. You have to wait for 24 hours in order to make ready your live stream if you are doing a live stream for the first time. And one thing that you have to consider is you must have the subscriber up to 1000, then only you can go live stream on YouTube. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.